This is how you use ChatGPT to create your new patient offer and also the ad copy to go with it. At the end of this video, I'll give you this Google Doc link so you can copy and paste this and then swap out all your office information, and then you'll be able to just copy and paste it into ChatGPT and you'll have your new patient offer. You can also update your current new patient offer, which I can get to in a second here. So let's jump in. So here I have 2 prompts written. The first prompt is creating the new patient offer. So write a new patient offer for my chiropractic office and use the information below. The recipe section, and I'm going to go over all this for us, for everybody. The recipe section is what you can use to create what services will be in the new patient offer. You must use points 1 and 2, and you can add 2 additional services to the offer. The new patient offer cannot exceed 4 of the services in the recipe. So, tone of voice, excited. Offer name, chiropractic health screening, which you can swap out. Offer price, $50 for new patients. You can swap it to 21, 29, whatever. 50 is fine to test with. Your office's value proposition. Keep this at either a sentence or 2 sentences. So helping you live your best life through health and wellness. Call to action you want is going to be get offer. Your office name goes there. Your office phone, website, and then this is where the model will create the new patient offer for you. And if you don't like it, then you can just continue to massage the offer until you get what you like. So the recipe for the new patient offer. What this recipe is a list. This is just an example here, but this is a list of everything that you offer in your office. It could be massage therapy, acupuncture, cupping, dry needling, all kinds of stuff. And so you can put those in this recipe section, and then you tell the prompt, use this recipe and create something from this. So in this example, I have chiropractic adjustment, consultation with doctor, and then you put your last name. They're going to get a report of findings. They could get a red light therapy session if you do that, a cupping session, cryo chamber, Normatec sleeve session. So here's what we're going to do. So what you do is you're going to copy this with prompt 1 at the top here. Copy. Put this into ChatGPT. Just paste it and click enter. And it'll do its thing here. Okay, so now we have our offer. It did 5 instead of 4, so here's what we can do to get it back to 4. So please limit the services to 4 items, which then it'll re-prompt it for you. So then we'll have 4. There you go. There's 4. All right, now that we have our offer, and of course you can go through this and tweak it to make it sound even better. You can take bits and pieces, copy and paste it, right? So let's say that this is fine, that this will work. Now what we're gonna do is, we're going to get ad copy that you can use for Facebook and Instagram ads, and TikTok ads if you want, and Google ads if you want, but Facebook and Instagram ads. So you're gonna copy this prompt down here. Now write ad copy for Facebook ads with the new patient offer you just created above, and ask a question in the opening line of the ad copy. So an example of the question would be like, looking for a chiropractor? And let's see, to kind of bring that person in. So let's see. There you go. Are you ready to, let me see what it says. So, are you ready to prioritize your health and wellness? There you go, that's great. And so you can go through here. And there's your ad copy. So now you just need a video and you're good to go. I will put a link in the description to this Google Doc. And I will share this Google Doc with you so you can just copy and paste all this information. You'll swap out your name, phone number, doctor, make sure and put the last name so it fills in the last name. But there you go. That's how you can use some of these AI tools to help get some of these tasks out of the way, and just you can keep focusing on growing your business.